There I was, empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, without even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came, brought me out of the shell. You gave my world to me, and before I knew, there